Everybody standard 7 subject social science chapter 1 2 big states। ये चैप्टर आपका एक्सटेंड हो गया था, इसके मैंने क्वेश्चन आंसर आगे आपको करवा दिए। अभी जो एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं, ठीक है। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन शॉर्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्टडी द मैप्स ऑफ द स्टेट्स ऑफ हर्ष एंड पुलकेश टू एंड नोट डाउन द मेजर सिटीज एंड रिवर्स। आंसर है द चीफ टाउन्स इन द प्रोविंसेस ऑफ हर्ष एंड पुलकेशी टू वे कनौज, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, कलिंगा, कमरूप, चौला, चेरा, etc. While the main rivers in their provinces were the Narmada, Krishna, Godavari, Son, Brahmaputra, etc. Next, number question 2. What was the difference between Pulkeshi II and Harsh's personalities? Pulkeshi II and Harsh were equally powerful. Both of them were valiant and brave warriors. Harsh looked after the administration of his state himself. He had set his routine in such a way that he could spare most of his time in public welfare and religious activities. He was just in administration and regular in carrying out his duties. He never fell short in executing good deeds. He had a bent on the killing of living creatures. He was a great donor. Next question है, why did Yuan Tizeng carrying books, relics and statues back with him to China? Yuan Tizeng was greatly curious to learn about Buddha religion, therefore he had come to India all the way from China, overcoming all the hurdles that come his way. He did not care for impassively chilling, cold, terrible heat or heavy rain. He had heard a lot about India, but when he himself observed. Next question है, whom did Harsh think of freeing after ascending the thrones? When the Harshvardhan came to the throne of Thaneshwar, his sister Rajeshri had been captivated by the king of Malwa, Devgupta, as soon as he came to power. He decided to get his sister Rajeshri freed from the prison of Devgupta. Next, question number 5. Name the plays written by Emperor Harshvardhan. Answer है, Emperor Harshvardhan was a man of literature. He composed 3 plays named Naganand, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. Next, question number 6. Which caves were constructed during Pulkeshi II's reign? Pulkeshi II was fond of art. In the period of Pulkeshi II, the caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri got constructed. The world famous wall painting of the caves of Ajanta were made during that period. डिस्कस करना है, why was Harsh not able to defeat Pulkeshi II? आंसर आएगा, Pulkeshi II was a powerful king. He was very valiant and brave warrior. He had won many battles by guerrilla system. Therefore, Harsh could not defeat Pulkeshi II. Next, question 2. Who was better, King Harsh or Pulkeshi II? Give reasons. Harshvardhan was a better ruler because he looked after the entire administration system himself. He had split his daily routine in 3 parts. First part was for administration and 2 other parts were allotted for public welfare and religious acts. He told different parts of his state to observe the administration system. He was just in administration and regular in carrying out his duties. He even forgot his meals, being engaged in acts for the good of people. Next, question 3. Why was there war between Harsh and Pulkeshi II? Why did they not wage war In these days, kings fought for extending the boundaries of their empires. They took pride in it. The bravery of the kings could be seen only on the battlefields. Harsh and Pulkeshi too both wanted to expand their empires. Therefore, they fought. Harsh was religious minded. He decided not to fight for more by winning a new once it is possible that for his reasons no more wars took place between them. Next question है, what are the difference between present day universities and Nalanda universities? To get admission in Nalanda University, the aspirants had to go through entrance tests, while in the educational centers, admissions are sought on the basis of scoring of marks. A student could stay and study in Nalanda University. The facility of boarding and lodging and studying in Nalanda University was just free of charge. ये आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गए. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है, ठीक है. Thank you.